So, what exactly is a central vacuum system? Well, it's a collection of piping run through your walls, much like regular plumbing, but taking dirt and debris to a powerful vacuum canister typically located in your garage or basement. So, what's the big deal? Well, with up to 5 times the power of a portable vacuum, these systems keep your home cleaner and healthier. Central vacuums can be installed in both new and existing homes, and installation often takes only a day. But can it really do everything your old vacuum could? Absolutely. You can use either a traditional power team setup with a 30-foot hose and powered brush head, or you can upgrade to a Hida hose, a retractable hose system that stores the hose right inside the piping. And add-on accessories such as the Wally Flex and Vac Pan make it easy to manage quick cleanups without having to pull out your entire hose set. But one of the greatest benefits of a central vacuum system is that it removes 100% of contacted dirt, dust, and allergens from your home's living space, making your floors and your breathing air cleaner. So contact us today at 859-341-0900 or visit us online at thesweepershop.com for your free personalized quote.